Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is going to be our third video in the series of Mastering Prompt Engineering. If you have already watched my previous videos, you know the basics of writing good prompts and the mistakes to avoid. Okay, if you haven't already watched them, please go to my channel and watch the videos. There is a playlist named Master Prompt Engineer. In this video, we'll be discussing about some advanced prompts. We will talk about three powerful techniques: chaining prompts, context layering, and role playing prompts. This will help you unlock even more creative and accurate outputs from AI. Let's get started. So, let us start with chaining prompt. So, first question is, what is chaining prompt? Chaining prompt means breaking down a task into smaller steps and building on the AI's responses. Instead of asking for everything in one go, you ask it in parts and refine as you go. This will help you get more precise answers from the AI. Let us jump into ChatGPT now and try out an example. So let us first ask ChatGPT to generate a list of 5 unique ideas. Generate a list of 5 unique app ideas. Okay, so we'll see what the response is, and then we'll build up from it, right? Receipt most piece recipe planner. Okay, ChatGPT is a little slower today. And the second one is habit streak marketplace. It's virtual wardrobe and styling. Fourth is skill swap and network. And the fifth one is mindful social media. Okay, wow, idea 5, mindful social media. I like this one. So let us expand on this one. I'll say expand on idea 5. Okay, you can even add a hash to it, and let us say with a detailed feature list. The detailed feature list. Okay, let us see the response now. And now it will expand on the fifth idea with a detailed feature list, and it will provide us more details about building this mobile app, right? So this is how chaining prompts works, right? This is how chaining prompts works. I can even refine it if I want, but for the purpose of keeping this video short, we will leave it where it is. So it has provided us with a detailed list. Okay, and it has given pretty much a lot of detail in there. Okay, so why will do we want to use chaining prompts? If we want to brainstorm ideas, we are planning for projects, or if we want detailed outputs without overloading the system, we'll use chaining prompts. Okay, so let us move on to the next topic, context layering. So what is context layering? Context layering means providing background information or setting a stage so that AI can generate more relevant and accurate responses. I know we have spoken about this in our previous videos, but I am gonna stress on it as it is an important aspect of prompt engineering. Okay, let us see it with an example. Let us say I'm planning a 3 day trip to Paris. So I'll give a prompt something like this. Assume you are a travel guide. Okay, and then I'll say create a itinerary for create an itinerary for 3 days trip to Paris. Okay, and I want to uh, look for budget friendly hotels, so I'll add that too over here. Okay, so I'll see, mm, you can say focus on budget friendly options. Okay, so it will give it better response. So let us try this prompt. So now it will give me a 3-day budget friendly itinerary for Paris. So okay, if we want to, we can also uh, ask it for more information. Okay, let it just complete its response and then we'll see. So we can also use our chaining technique and we can ask it for more information. So we can say, let us say we want to build upon this, and we'll say, let us say we want to include hidden gems. Okay, so this will give us additional information, not commonly known tourist places, and it will give us more among hidden gems of Paris. So what is the use of using context layering? Use this when you want the AI to adapt to a specific tone, okay, and focus on a particular area, right? You can find more on context in my previous videos, so do check them out. Okay. Now let us move on to our third topic, that is role playing prompts. So what are role playing prompts? Okay. Uh, Role playing prompts make the AI take on a role to give you specific kind of output. This is great for like learning, practicing, or creating projects, etc. So let us try it with an example. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to explain me APIs. Okay. So I'll say you are a software engineer or there explaining APIs to a begin. Okay. And then I'll follow it up with uh, I'll say now I'll provide it a little more context, right? I'll say write an explanation in simple terms. Okay, and let us give this prompt and see the AI's response. Okay, when you're at a restaurant and the kitchen is the service provider. Okay, so break it down. Yeah, like example. Instead of okay, so middleman that helps apps ask other services for information to provide actions. Okay, so we got our answer over here and it is pretty much detailed and it has used simpler language so that it is easy for us to understand. Okay, so if you want even more clear description or more explanations, you can follow up with another prompt. You can say explain it to like as if you are explaining it to 10 years old. Okay, that will then it will try to simplify it even further. So where are you going to use role playing prompts? You can use role playing prompts in a variety of situations, like when you are like teaching or you are like into customer services or brainstorming sessions with experts, and much more. So let us stop this video for here. It is already getting longer than expected. Okay, and let us just quickly recap over what we have learned in this video today. So first we have looked at chaining prompts, that is breaking task into smaller parts and refining them step by step as we go. Then we have learned about context layering, that is adding background or extra information to improve our responses. And then we have learned about role-playing prompts, assigning roles to AI for more focused and customized outputs. Try these techniques out and let me know in the comments below what you think about them. Okay, and the next video is going to be about an interesting topic, debugging AI responses and how to fix them, how to fix AI's output, right? So that is going to be a pretty useful video, so keep an eye out for it. Please do subscribe to my channel, like the video if you like it, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Thank you.